Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to review the website called ySense.com. My name is Felix, and if you're here because you've been researching how to make money online using AI apps, filling surveys, or looking for a side gig to supplement your income, or maybe even replace your full-time job, then you're on the right video and on the right channel. I'm here to make sure you're not getting scammed, you're not exposing your info in the wrong hands, or simply wasting your time or money. And we all know time is money and people do get scammed. So let's get into this right away. Do you like to share your opinions with ySense app or website? You can share your feedback with thousands of companies and research firms that want to hear from you. Receive cash for each completed survey and redeem your cash for premium gift cards. Give your opinion about movies, TV shows, shopping experiences, and even new products or services. So what is a ySense offer exactly? An offer can be anything from testing a new company product to simply watching videos. ySense is supposedly a good place to get paid to do offers, try out products for money, or download apps for money. Some of other most common offers are testing new services, watching videos, signing up for websites. These offers range in compensation. ySense encourages you to try as many offers as you feel fit until you find the perfect offer for you. They have a range of offer providers such as Persona.ly, AdGate, and coupons. There's absolutely no charge to start participating in ySense offers. All you have to do is follow the steps below to see how you can get started getting paid to complete offers today. The biggest opportunity you will have to earn money with ySense is through surveys, offers, and tasks. So first, you have to verify your email address. The next thing you should do is complete your profile. Okay. It helps ySense target more relevant service for you. The next thing you should do is go to a forum and read the post about tips and rules when doing offers. It's very informative and it's quite helpful. Then you should try to do a few offers or surveys if they are available to you. If you do not see any, please don't get discouraged, as new offers and surveys come in all the time, so keep checking back. One of the best features of ySense is that you do not need to purchase anything in order to earn money. They have multiple ways for you to make money. It's suggested that you try to complete the daily checkup bonus. This can really help increase your income, as some offers pay a whopping $5 or more. Complete just a couple of offers or surveys per day, and this can add up quickly, so they say. Check your progress towards the daily checklist bonuses on the homepage. And lastly, promote your affiliate link. That's another way that you can offer on ySense. The more members you have under you, the more commissions you will make. You earn commissions from the offers, tasks, and surveys that are completed by your referrals. What affiliate commission does ySense offer? Let's see. Sign up commissions. For each referral that becomes active, you will earn a sign-up commissions of 10 cents or 30 cents from top-tier countries. Top-tier countries are most likely United States, UK, Australia, Ireland, New Zealand, Israel, and most of the European countries. Those would be your top-tier countries. Once your referral earns their first $5, excluding commissions and bonuses, you will also earn an extra $2 bonus. You will also earn on activity commissions. For every approved survey, offer, and task your referral complete, you earn a 20% commission of what they earn. You can also increase your commission level up to 30% if you have a minimum of 100 or more active referrals with at least one transaction in the past 30 days. And you will get an additional 5% affiliate commission, making your affiliate commissions of 25%. If you have 200 or more active referrals, you get an additional 10% affiliate commissions, making your affiliate commissions a whole 30%. The more active your referrals are, the more you earn. So let's talk about cashing out your money. Your cash out will be entered in the pending queue to be processed and will be done in order and can take up to 10 business days to process. It could be also a little bit longer depending on certain circumstances. All new accounts that request a cash out may be delayed for up to 15 business days from the date that cash out was submitted. They doing this because of, in case of any fraudulent activity. New accounts are defined as those registered within the last 30 days or this is your first cash out. So in order to protect the integrity of their system, members from North America, US and Canada, are required to have their postal addresses verified before they are eligible for electronic cash outs such as Pioneer, PayPal, or Skrill. To request a payment, click on the to request a payment. You're going to have to click on a cash out link on your dashboard that will be made available on your account summary page next to your account balance. This link will only be available once you have reached the minimum cash out amount. You are allowed to cash out 2 times per day. So let's talk about how much money can you make with ySense. And this is where it becomes really crucial, and this is where you're going to start asking yourself a question. Is it really worth it? So it is difficult to determine how much money you can make with ySense. There are too many variables in determining this. For example, how often you log in, how many referrals you have, how many offers, tasks, or surveys you had your referrals complete, and more. So let me say a few words about my experience with ySense. And this is probably what you were waiting for up until now. And the answer is not that great. I tried to create an account twice. Honestly, I did try to create an account twice using different login information simply because both times it was giving me an error message. And I probably lost about 10 or even 15 minutes of my time that I will never get back. Also, if you would read the reviews people leave, then you'll find out that they are not that very flattering either. So if we're going to go to Google Play, okay, and we're going to scroll, this is where you will download the app. Why is it not going? Okay, here we go. Okay. So if you're going to read some of these reviews, you will see that most of the reviews are not that great. People are kind of pissed off and upset about many things. So take that in consideration. So my verdict is definitely not worth my time. Now, is it worth your time? Well, that depends on your goals and how much you value your time. My goals, for one, do not coincide with what this site offers, and I use a completely different strategy to earn money online. The strategy that I use is my favorite strategy at the moment because it earns me anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per month. And if this interests you, I'd like to give it to you absolutely at no charge. Just learn and apply. I will place a link for this strategy in the video description box under this video. Just click on the link and enter the information where you want it to be sent to, and I'll send it to you immediately. And as usual, if you like this video, hit the like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so yet, so you can get more videos like this. And until then, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video review. Bye-bye.